In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Trello with Google Calendar. This process is particularly useful for keeping all your tasks and deadlines organized in one convenient location. If you often juggle multiple projects or keep track of important dates in Trello, syncing your Trello board with your Google Calendar can help ensure you never miss a beat. Let's delve into these steps. First, start by opening your Trello board. This is where all your tasks and projects are organized, and it's essential that you're accessing the right one, especially if you manage multiple boards. With your board open, direct your attention to the menu on the right-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll find an option to add power-ups. Click on that to proceed. Once you're in the power-ups section, it's time to search for the tool that will enable this syncing capability. Locate the search bar and type calendar into it. This search will help you find the calendar power-up, which is crucial for integrating Trello with your Google Calendar. When the calendar option appears in the list, go ahead and add it to your board. After adding the calendar power-up, you can close the menu by clicking anywhere outside of it or pressing the appropriate button. With the menu closed, you'll now see the calendar power-up available on your Trello board interface. Go ahead and click on it to access its options. Next, you'll need to adjust some settings to enable the synchronization. Look for the gear icon within the calendar power-up. This icon usually indicates settings or configurations, so click on it to reveal more options. One of the options you will find is the iCalendar feed link. Go ahead and copy this link. This link is the key to syncing your calendar events between Trello and Google Calendar. With the iCalendar feed link copied, now navigate over to your Google Calendar. Once your Google Calendar is open, find the plus symbol next to other calendars on the left sidebar. Click on this symbol and select from URL from the drop-down menu. This is where you'll paste the iCalendar feed link you just copied from Trello. After pasting it, click on Add Calendar to finalize the integration. And there you have it. By following these steps, your Trello board and Google Calendar are now synced. You'll see Trello tasks and deadlines directly in your Google Calendar, providing an organized, streamlined way to manage your schedule. This integration helps ensure that nothing falls through the cracks, making your project management more efficient and effective. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your productivity.